Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I'm going to make Shorshe Ilish. For that here I've taken Ilish. In that add some turmeric powder and salt. Now nicely marinate them and keep aside. Now in a pan add some mustard oil and black onion seeds or Kalo jeera. Add some green chilli. Now add mustard paste. Here I've used powdered mustard which I've soaked in water and turmeric for some minutes. Then add some poppy seed paste or Posto, coconut milk, and now mix it together. Now in this add turmeric powder, salt as per taste, sugar, Kashmiri chilli powder and chilli powder. For a few minutes cook the masalas and then add the fishes. Add some water. Now cover it and cook it in low flame till the fish cooks properly. So here we go, our Shorshe Ilish is ready to serve.